Hey foodies, welcome back to Nigerian Foody. I am Toby and today let's make donut. This is an all-in-one recipe that goes if you want to make a jam donut, milky donut or a ring donut. These fluffy golden rings of happiness can turn your day into a celebration. And trust me, once you've tried this, you will continue making your donut at home. You can sense the way I'm excited, Abby. Let's rock and roll. Sieve your flour. I'm going to be using the cup measurement of 500 grams. If you have a scale, measure 500 grams worth of flour and sieve. I cannot overemphasize the importance of sieving your flour when baking. It gives your flour a fine face. It eradicates any lumps and unwanted dirt. Proceed to add your sugar. All the ingredients and measurements for this recipe will be in the video description. Do well to check them out. Add your active yeast, add your nutmeg. What is Nigerian donut without nutmeg spice? Or more, the aroma it gives is one in a million. Mix. Once it is well combined, add your butter or margarine. I transferred mine to the mixer because this recipe required mixing. But if you don't have a mixer, simply use your hands. Break an egg into it. Pour in your milk. This is going to serve as our water too. You can get powdered milk and mix with water, or you can add your milk flavor. All in all, make sure you add milk to this recipe to enhance the milky taste and flavor. Then let it mix to form a dough. This mixing stage is very important if you want to achieve a fluffy donut. I mixed mine for over 15 minutes, but if you're using your hands, you might want to knead the dough for about 20 minutes. The dough at the beginning will look creamier and thick, but once it appears lighter, softer, and smoother, you should know the dough is ready for some actions. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Do not forget to wash your hands. Look at the dough, stretchy, soft, and smooth. Now that we are ready, let's swing into the main deal. Sprinkle a little flour on the table, place the dough on it, mold it to a round shape and cut into smaller sizes. Yeah, just like that. This stage determines the size of your donut. If you want it big, cut it big. If you want it small, cut it small. But bear in mind that it's still going to rise, so you might just want to cut it not too big. Once you're done, arrange for molding. Guys, let's go there. I don't have a donut cutter, so I'm going to be using my hand. Let me show you how you can mold your donut without a cutter. The first one is to use your palm. Yes, place one palm down and use the other to roll the dough on it tightly, just like the way you're seeing in the video. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle a little flour on your palm until you achieve a smooth rolling. Another method is to roll on the table. I know a lot of people that do theirs this way. Once you have achieved a smooth rolling, place on a tray and press a little to achieve the shape of a jam donut. But mind you, sprinkle flour on the paper so that it doesn't stick to the tray. And you can equally get the donut shape by folding it with your hands like this. There are several methods you can fold your donuts. Let me quickly show you how to make the ring donut shape. Roll as usual. Use your hand to make a hole in the middle and gradually expand it, just the way you're seeing right now. Make the hole large enough but not too large. Now that we are set, let's start frying. One mistake I won't want you to make is to shallow fry your donuts. Please do not be like me. Hey, in my head I was like, the cooking oil I have at home should be enough now. So I didn't even bother buying oil. It was when I wanted to fry, I realized that, hey, this oil will not be enough. But then I had to just manage it like that. And there is a total difference when you shallow fry and deep fry your donuts. But it's okay. Once your oil is hot, put your donut on fire on a low heat. Please, foodie, on low heat so that you don't have an undone donut. Then fry until you have a golden color. I use toothpick to flip mine. You see the one I just took out? The middle looks deep brown. That is the effect of shallow fry. So continue frying and do not forget to give me a thumbs up and follow this channel for back-to-back videos. Mwah! Thank you. show you how it came out. Oh, look at that. Looking nice and soft. Oh, I'm in love. Oh. Allow to cool off and coat with sugar, especially the ring donuts. But for the jam donuts, it is either you put the jam in the middle or you make a version of the Milky donuts by putting milk in the middle and coating the body with the milk. Foodies, thank you for stopping by today. If there is any recipe you want me to make, do well to share with me in the comment section and I'll make it sharp. And you can equally leave a message for me if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more amazing content like this. I love you. Bye bye.